My name's Alex Stopper.
My name is Peyton.
My name's Mia.
Hi, I'm Jake Phillips.
An exercise physiologist.
I'm an exercise physiologist.
Physiotherapist.
And I am a physiotherapist at Sports and Spinal.
For me, I could take on more clinical roles, I could go in a specialised route, I could take on a business role, I could become a practice leader, I could go in many different ways.
You can go down into some sort of specialty if you like.
What really appealed to me was the leadership pathway avenue, where you can move into more team leaderish roles, you can be supporting and mentoring others.
Which is awesome. It's not something that I've seen before.
As myself as an EP, the world is growing every day and it's really great to see in a physio company that they're allowing EPs now to also step up and take on more roles.
It was going to be a really steep learning curve for me at the start. I think even just this week alone has helped us be able to reorder our thoughts of all the things we've learned at uni and also give us a lot of confidence.
There's a lot. There's the fact that we get to work so closely with a lot of our senior physios. So we're not just getting thrown in the deep end and having to handle it on our own. We've got that one-on-one experience, and then there's also that opportunity to learn and grow.
You can go talk to Dion if you have a question about knees, you can go talk to Louise if you have a question about shoulders, you can talk to Danny if you have a question about hips. You have so many different people that know so many things, and you have them all right at the end of an email or the end of a phone call, very easy.
It's clear that they foster that balance of not just work and that high pressure environment, but also making sure we're loving what we do and we're happy coming to work. What I've picked up on so far is that real focus on the people, and that was something that stood out to me in the interview process.
They've actually been on me about it and encouraging me to take time off, make sure you take time for yourself and do self-care.
Some of us get mornings off or afternoons off some days, so we can still do our sports and our downtime as well. So they're pretty heavy on prioritising that.
For me, I've got pretty lofty goals. I'm really excited to grow as an exercise physiologist, and it feels like Sports and Spinal is a place that's going to let me do that, which is really exciting.